Hello and welcome everybody to Dr. Crypto. Bitcoin charts. Since my previous video today, nothing has happened much. We are still in the ascending channel, right? So we are actually in between. We have to choose either we go down or we go up, and eventually, if we're gonna break down, which is if it's about to happen anytime early, I think it's in about, let's say, 49,000. We have to watch. And of course, if it's to the upside, a little bit different because we have this big line. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, this line is the line that was holding us in previous two dips and we broke down, which is bearish. But somebody like me who is bullish could believe in some sort of manipulation, which I do believe in that, and we have to wait and see. Other than that, if you are a chart guy, complete chart guy, you may already have turned bearish because of breakdown of this important trend line, which actually from 29,000 sent us 80% up, retests another 80% up, and this time retest didn't work. We broke under it. So this is the line that if we want to break to the upside, we go to the 15-minute because we have to, for the immediate short term, see what's going to happen actually. So if we are about to go to the upside, before we actually reach the upper trend line of this ascending channel, we have to watch before that for this important line, right? Which is roughly about 52,000, between 52,000 to 52,500, depend when and where we hit this line. So we're going to be watching closely. So not much has happened in the short term, but I think sooner or later it will happen because it's been quite a little bit boring for the past days. But honestly, I think I was happy with it that we are actually consolidating and we are keeping our eyes to see what's going to happen next. But the most important thing I want to tell you is that the alts are gaining in this consolidation, and this is something nice. As somebody who been in this space and have some sort of experience as watching the market during the past bull cycle, I can tell you that while Bitcoin consolidating, alts are gaining. This is a good sign. That is one of the signs that I'm still bullish on this market, because usually when it's about to crash and just go through a beer market, then it's just not like this. Nothing basically gaining. If I want to talk about Ethereum was absolutely holding strong. And usually when we are in crypto crash, nothing holds against Bitcoin, or against even Bitcoin doesn't. So nothing holds. So Bitcoin is losing and alts are losing double. Doesn't matter the alt is Ethereum or anything else. Ethereum is not far from its all-time high. It's probably $400 to $500 far from its all-time high. So we can imagine if Bitcoin just pump to 55,000, 54,000, probably Ethereum make new all-time high, which suggests to me that definitely the bull run is not over. Not a financial advice. You're going to do your own research. That's just my opinion. And of course, don't forget to let me know about your ideas in the comment down below. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, support the channel by subscribing to the channel. So now guys, alt season, okay, it's not so crazy, I would say. But look, for example, wax is up 36%. I was just talking when I had my altcoin watch in my previous video, and I told you guys, if it comes to NFT, I'm a fan of Engine Coin and Wax, right? Just after, I think it just pumped right after my video. So of course it's not because of me, nothing about, but this was one of the NFT project that I was bullish on, and I was suggesting if you're looking for NFT, it's either Engine or Wax. And so you see, even in the past 7 days is up, not only in the past 24 hours. And not only Wax, this one is Immutable X that I told you I don't have so much of idea about it, but I heard about it. It's a metaverse play, I guess, and you've been doing good. 20% up today. Near Protocol 20%, Cadena 16%, Celo, Hobby Token. Look, we go in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin is 0, not up, not down, okay? It's just holding and consolidating. But look how all or most of the altcoins are green in the past 24 hours. You see that? This is important. This is important. This is telling us that altcoins are gaining, and I love to see that. As an altcoin guy, I love to see that, because when altcoin are gaining, this is a sign that Bitcoin and money is following slowly to altcoin. And as soon as Bitcoin pump and probably goes for its final stage of pump, which is usually the craziest pump, then alts will perform very well. Okay, because in the past, I would say 2 years that we've been this bull cycle is warming up. Anytime Bitcoin was pumping, altcoin was just selling off. All right, not they were not even holding. Even Ethereum, until just a couple of months ago. Okay, we had barely some of these altcoins were holding or gaining against Bitcoin. Now most of our altcoins, they are gaining against Bitcoin, and that's a very good sign. Other than that, we have XRP a little bit up today, which is, I told you, I'm not gonna FOMO into XRP. This was my favorite alt before SEC and all of this happened. But as I said, I'm in my Twitter. Make sure you follow me in the Twitter, because I tweet much more often than I post video. I might have a 20 to 30 tweets per day, but to share my ideas. But of course, I'm not having that much time to make videos. Twitter link description. The link is the description down below. So make sure you give me a follow. I told you in my idea about XRP. I always liked XRP before the bull run starts, but unfortunately, SEC and all this stuff has happened. So I'm not gonna buy back into XRP until this SEC be solved. And I don't mind if I buy XRP $2, $3, because as soon as we get the news that XRP case is solved, then it's gonna probably be get a big, surge on XRP price. So 2-3x overnight is possible. But I rather to wait, and even if I buy for more expensive price, it's okay. But we have to get this solved. Then there are the other altcoins. You cannot really differentiate which one will be better. Of course, to my eyes, I have my portfolio in when it comes to altcoin. I have Litecoin is on the top. Where is Litecoin? Shouldn't be that far down. Litecoin to me is the cheapest undervalued crypto you can get. Not a financial advice, but Litecoin is my holding that I truly believe in it, and it was doing good. It was doing good. Slowly but surely, it was doing perfectly. I believe Litecoin is different than, when it comes to crypto, for me, is Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. Bitcoin and Litecoin to me are digital assets, digital asset class, I would say. And when it comes to Ethereum is a project that it has use case and is important. That's why I compare it to oil. Like I compare Bitcoin to gold, Litecoin definitely to silver, and then when it comes to Ethereum, I say it's oil, because it has the real use case, and that's why Ethereum is strongly holding here, because Ethereum is the only smart contract platform which is just incredible. If you're a developer, you understand what I say. And Chainlink been doing good. You know that Chainlink has a good news. Maybe I will talk about it in another video, because this video I don't want to just dedicate to a particular coin or anything. So yeah, you can basically buy. Stellar will not do good until Ripple and XRP start doing good. So anything could be in discount if market starts going back up. Around that's unfortunate that each time that Errand breaks all-time high, then it just drops a lot. We went all the way to 500 and some dollars, and we headed back down, I think, to nearly even half price of that, maybe somewhere between 250-70. That's just not nice. But Errand was always a favorite coin to me. Cosmos Atom, yes, after Litecoin, Cosmos Atom is my biggest holding in altcoins. So the thing is, because this is the only smart contract platform, which is great, when you compare it to all of the others, when it comes to, I don't know, probably is one of the greatest, that if you compare with the one in the first top 10, it sometimes easily beat them when it comes to the fundamental, because it's interoperable, it has a big ecosystem, a lot of project. The thing is, holding it back could have several reasons, but I buy into it at $25 because to my eyes, this one at $45, even $50 is a gem. Now, yeah, there are a lot of coins that you can see. Tezos, of course, is a good one. Wow, Tezos hit $6. Last time I saw it was 5 and something. Yeah, it's not one of my big hold at the moment, but I've been interested in it since long time. Why not? Tezos is just great. It's a smart contract platform and it's heavy on NFTs. So why not? Everything with Tezos also is just clear and good. Yes, they had some issues like XRP before, but they solved it a long time ago. So maybe that had some effect on this bull run. Otherwise, probably Tezos would be much more at this moment. But okay, it's going forward and we'll see. Theta is probably, to me, is cheap, even though it's a little bit different. Sandbox, they are going for correction. I'm not buying into something which had a great massive upside, but we know Metaverse gonna be doing good. Phantom probably is good, a good buy. So I just did this yesterday. I don't want to do it again. So go back, make sure you watch my videos. It was a little bit long video, about 40 minutes, but I couldn't make it faster. So I don't want to make videos so long. I'm going back to see what has happened here. Yeah, guys, if you're trading, be careful. Be careful, especially if you're a short-term trader, because short-term, if you're looking at 15 minutes and you want to decide based on candles, just look what has happened. We had a candle to upside, then boom, downside, and then, I mean, I don't think it's a good idea to be very short-term in a 15-minute or hourly. Yeah, of course, you might be bearish because we are actually in the short-term bearish when you look at the charts. Even though I'm bullish and I believe all these are manipulation, but if you are bearish, you got words to talk about in the charts, and I totally understand that. But my opinion is a little bit not doesn't match with technical analysis based on charts, because I believe it was a little bit of, or more than a little bit of manipulation. We have to see. Let's see if we break down, of course, with the confirmation. Let's see if we break up with confirmation. And of course, if we break back up above this 500,000, we get like 4 hours or even better daily candle open and close and get the confirmation, then probably bears will not have so much to talk about and it's gonna be bullish. And if we break down, yes, it's gonna get ugly, especially if we get the only scenario then we can hope for as bulls. Okay, if you're bullish, if we break down, the only good scenario will be to get supported and buy back. Gets return to the upside above this risk, above 42,000. Okay, then we can have a scenario of higher low, right? And then watch for upside movement. But if we break back under 42,000, it's just the ugliest form that it could have had. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, if you enjoy and appreciate it, please make sure you like it, and I will be updating you. And make sure you follow me on Twitter. Thank you. Be blessed. I'm out.